Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Webull app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on message settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on price alerts. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on clear messages of price alerts. So then you click on OK, then it's going to clear with you here on your Webull app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.